If you're like me, you've probably tried many productivity apps only to feel more overwhelmed. The constant switching, setting up, and maintaining different tools can be exhausting. In the end, I went back to Notion, but this time with a simple formula that worked for me. Today, I will show you how I use Notion to manage everything in one place. It only takes about 5 minutes to set up. I'll walk you through how I keep it super simple with no complex system, the methods I use, and the important features that help me stay on track. At the end, I'll show you how to set up this template in your own Notion account. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video. If you're not familiar yet, Notion is versatile, customizable app for note-taking, project management, and knowledge organization. It works across all of my devices, and we also can access it through the browser. They offer a paid subscription, but the free version is more than enough for me. Notion also has features that basic note apps don't. It was a total game changer. So how do I use Notion? I follow David Allen's Getting Things Done, which involves capturing tasks and ideas instead of trying to remember everything, organizing them, and following up what we have captured. In my productivity system, I have simplified into 3 categories: capture, organize, and action. Let's see how this 3-step works in my Notion. Step 1. Capture. First, I created a template in Notion called Quick Notes. Instead of using one of the templates provided by Notion, I just built everything from scratch using an empty database. I started with a column to input any thoughts or ideas that come to mind. Then I created categories for my activities, such as study corner, projects, and the others. I also add priorities tag, which has been very useful for helping me identify which tasks I need to finish first. This is where I jot down any ideas or to-dos come to mind, usually on the fly. On our smartphone, we can use Notion widget to add ideas or tasks to the list quickly, so you don't need to open the app. We can also use Notion Web Clipper extension to capture helpful content that we want to save or revisit later. Step 2. Organize. After I captured everything in Quick Notes, I allocated time to revisit and start organizing. I tag each item with relevant categories and set the priorities and the deadlines too. I use these tags to make it easier in the future because Notion has a database feature that allows me to filter and display tasks based on categories or priorities. This database creates a flexible system that helps us structure information in searchable, sortable, and fully customizable. For example, I have set up a reviewed checklist table in my system. I mark it as reviewed, and it automatically disappears from my Quick Notes. The great thing is nothing gets deleted. All your notes and tasks are safely archived in the database. I can also switch up. Using a calendar view helps me see my tasks more clearly and manage the deadline more effectively. Step 3. Action. I work on the tasks that I have tagged and assigned deadlines to. What I like about Notion is offers more pro features compared to the basic note-taking app such as Google Keep that I used previously. We can use a more structured writing format in the worksheet by typing the shortcut /. Notion also allows to insert or embed various media types. Last but not least, I must mention about Notion Calendar. I'll keep it short. While Notion Calendar is technically separate app, I use it in daily basis, and it even replaced my Google Calendar. The cool part is you can integrate it with your existing Notion database to link your notes and tasks to your calendar directly. This makes it super easy to track and manage my to-do list more organized, all within Notion. Thanks for watching until the end. As promised, my Notion template is available for free. The link is in the description. To use it, you can duplicate the template and customize the categories to suit with your needs. How about you? How do you use it? Share in the comments.